Imagine a digital currency that anyone can access with just a mobile phone, not just tech experts or the wealthy. That's the vision behind the Pi network, created by Stanford graduates Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan. They set out to build a cryptocurrency that's both accessible and energy efficient, requiring no expensive hardware. Pi lets users, called pioneers, mine coins by simply tapping a button daily, proving they're real people and helping secure the network. This simplicity has attracted over 47 million users worldwide, united by the idea of a fairer financial future. Unlike early cryptocurrencies that favored a few, Pi uses a declining reward rate. As more join, new coins are distributed more slowly, rewarding early adopters but ensuring long-term sustainability. Pioneers aren't just users. They help secure the network, invite others, and will build apps and services on top of Pi. The appeal isn't just potential profit. It's about being part of a revolutionary, community-driven digital frontier. Pi's design encourages collective ownership and participation, making every user a stakeholder in its future. The project is a massive social experiment, aiming to create a truly inclusive digital economy. For many, it's about shaping the next era of money, right from their pocket. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are as vast as the digital world itself. For years, Pi existed in a protected test net, a closed environment where coins couldn't be used outside the app. The Mainnet migration is the turning point, moving all Pi balances onto a live public blockchain. This shift transforms Pi from a promise into a real cryptocurrency, enabling transactions, purchases, and new applications within the Pi ecosystem. It's a massive technical challenge, migrating balances for tens of millions, each with unique histories. Every coin must be accounted for with precision, ensuring no errors or losses. For pioneers, this is when their efforts become tangible. Their Pi moves to a secure wallet they control. From that moment, they have full ownership and can participate in the growing Pi economy. The migration isn't just technical, it's the fulfillment of Pi's promise to empower individuals. It marks the birth of a new digital economy, built by and for its community. The process is methodical and secure, prioritizing accuracy above all. This careful approach ensures trust and stability as Pi enters the next phase. For every pioneer, it's the moment their digital journey becomes real. The Mainnet migration is a giant leap for the entire Pi community. Migrating millions of accounts at once would be chaotic, so the Pi core team is rolling out the Mainnet migration in carefully managed phases. It starts with the enclosed Mainnet period. Pi is live, but transactions and apps are limited to within the Pi ecosystem. No external exchanges yet. This allows the network to mature and build real utility before opening to the wider crypto world. User balances are migrated in waves, starting with the simplest cases and moving to more complex ones. Each phase is monitored closely to ensure accuracy and security. This step-by-step approach protects the network's integrity and the value pioneers have earned. It's about building a stable foundation for the future. Every phase brings the community closer to a fully open, decentralized digital economy. The first migration wave focuses on your core earnings. Pi mined daily, security circle rewards, and any locked-up Pi. Millions have already seen their balances move to their Mainnet wallets, proving the system works at scale. The amount transferred is your transferable balance, calculated conservatively in the app and finalized during migration. Some may see a slight increase after back-end reconciliation. Once migrated, pioneers can send and receive Pi and explore new apps within the enclosed Mainnet. These early adopters pave the way for others, showing the process is safe and real. It's the dawn of a new era for the Pi network. After the first wave, the next phase migrates more complex earnings like referral team bonuses. Calculating these requires verifying each team member's identity and mining history, making it a much bigger task. The system waits until enough users have passed KYC to ensure accuracy. Rushing could mean errors, so the core team takes the time to get it right. This second wave completes your full earning history on the mainnet. Ongoing migrations will catch new rewards and newly verified users. The multi-wave approach ensures fairness and order for everyone. Every genuine contribution is recognized and rewarded. Security and accuracy are the top priorities in the Pi mainnet migration. The core team is responsible for safeguarding millions of users' assets. One mistake could break years of trust. The system must process years of data, filter out fake accounts, and ensure only legitimate Pi is migrated. Sometimes migrations pause for security upgrades. These are signs of caution, not trouble. Enhancements like two-factor authentication and email verification make the network stronger. The team's methodical approach sets Pi apart from projects that rush and cut corners. Every delay is a step toward a safer, more resilient network. The goal isn't just launching a cryptocurrency, it's building a foundation of trust. This careful process ensures Pi will endure and thrive. Security and fairness are the pillars of Pi's future. To migrate, every pioneer must complete a few key steps. Think of it as your pre-flight checklist. First, download the Pi browser and create your secure Pi wallet, protected by a unique passphrase. Next, complete KYC by submitting a government-issued ID to prove you're a real, unique person. This step is crucial to prevent fake accounts and protect the network's value. After KYC, finish the mainnet checklist in the app, confirm your wallet address, and choose your lockup configuration if you wish. Once done, you're placed in the migration queue. Fast-track KYC programs help speed up the process for new users. The process is user-friendly, but requires your active participation. Completing these steps is your ticket to the mainnet and the new digital economy. It's the final step before joining the next chapter of Pi. The move to an open mainnet is a fundamental shift for Pi. It's when the network becomes fully decentralized and accessible to the world. The firewall drops, allowing Pi to connect with other blockchains and exchanges. Pi can then be traded, converted to other currencies, and used globally. But it's more than just trading. Developers everywhere can build dApps on Pi, creating marketplaces, games, and services. Real-world use cases will drive demand and value, making Pi more than just a speculative asset. The community's vision comes to life as Pi becomes a truly decentralized, community-owned network. The core team shifts from managers to stewards, supporting growth. The future of Pi will be shaped by its users and developers. Open Mainnet isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new digital universe. The possibilities are limitless for everyone involved. The Pi community stands at the threshold of its biggest transition yet. Millions have migrated, and the focus now is on completing migrations and preparing for the open network. Pioneers should finish their mainnet checklist and KYC to secure their place. The next milestone is launching the open mainnet, once enough users and apps are ready. In the meantime, more balances will migrate, and the app ecosystem will keep growing. The journey has been one of vision and community spirit, from a campus idea to a global movement. Mainnet migration is the most significant chapter so far, but the real adventure is just beginning. The future is bright, and the Pi community is ready to shape it together.